How y'all doing? Welcome to the MEATER channel. Grab your MEATER, grab that beautiful steak that you got from the butcher. And I'm gonna show you the proper probe placement so you can get that juicy steak every time. The internal sensor of the probe is right here. Incorrect probe placement can change the cook estimate and your food might not turn out the way you want it. So it's really important to get this sensor in the thickest part of the meat, avoiding any bone or fat for the best results. And you want to insert it between the minimum safety notch and the black ceramic handle to avoid damaging the probe. This cut is a bone-in ribeye, and here's the bone right here. And we're gonna aim away from it right in this center region. If you have a smaller steak, you kind of feel it and make sure it's in the center and not too close to the surface. But this one, she thick. Well, that's it. Once it's in there, you are good to go. For more support and recipe videos, subscribe to our channel and check out MEATER.com. Seasoning, please. Seasoning, please.